What's up, VW Lifers? Coming to you from Boomer the Bus. We are loaded up. We're ready to head to the VOSA show down in San Antonio. The old man and Jerry. We're meeting Matt Jackson, but should be a pretty good one. And we are on the road. The last bite has a delish Whataburger even for breakfast.
Good morning, VW Lifers. How's it going, Matt Jackson?
Going great. Had a long drive and got some breakfast.
Well, yes, we did. We had breakfast at not the Harvest, but at Whataburger. And it was delicious. I had a taquito with bacon. Sorry about that, Matt.
We woke up real early and we left Austin when it was still dark. And
we did, and here we are down in San Antonio. We're going to the VOSA Oktober Fest. It's a great show at the Raymond Russell Park. We're looking really forward to that.
Right. VOSA is Volkswagen Owners of San Antonio, and we're in San Antonio.
Yes, and we're in San Antonio. Hence the name. It wouldn't be like Volkswagen Owners of Dallas or something.
Well, it'd be VODA.
But that's true. What if they have one of those?
I don't think so.
I don't either. But anyway, we're going to do a little swap meeting today.
Yeah, we're going to set up the swap and bring you guys with us, check out all the cars, and have some fun.
That's the plan. So stay with us. Let's see where we go.
All right, the anthem is played, and now what time is it, Gary?
It is go time.
That's right.
Let's sell some Volkswagen parts, Jack.
That's right. We're gonna unload all these bins and set them up on all these tables. Has his valve cover racer ready. Is there a valve cover under there?
Yeah, it's an aluminum valve cover.
All right. Just make sure you're not cheating.
Actually, that's real close to 8 pounds.
Let me get mine.
Yeah, it's got some battle scars on this side over here.
Here's mine. Are you selling these things?
Yeah. Part of my collection downsizing.
Wow.
Jackson. This is VW life at its greatest. We're selling stuff at a swap meet.
At the swap.
We found Pablo.
We did. Yay!
Oh, Pablo.
VW Bus road trip.
Right.
Big Ben Bus Bash.
We'll put the link with Pablo's bus right here.
So, later single cabs like Boomer and just later split single cabs at least, the seats are the same as a combi would be, or non-walkthrough. So this is a hump seat that are in common in single cabs, and it's just one thing all the way across.
Boy, look at that. Look at that, man. Look at that. Wait, man.
I'm on way.
Break it on.
Ready? All right, let's go.
All right, Tommy's setting up the VW Life Racer and the Minecraft Racer.
All right, we're ready. You guys ready? You ready? Come on. All right, let's go. All right, let's go. 1, 2, 3.
Charlie! Let's go! I'm James' biggest fan, Matt Jackson.
It's all tied up. They're going to the tiebreaker.
All right. Ready? All right. Go.
How's it feel, Charlie? How's it feel?
Feels good.
Good race, buddy.
I got a chest bump here.
Chest bump.
It's a hot day, but we're having fun.
Oh my goodness, Matt Jackson. What a nice little show. It's called Oktober Fest. Kind of record-breaking heat down here in this part of the country, but
Yeah.
it's a beautiful day. A lot of Beatles here in San Antonio. Lots of cool. This is one of my favorites because I like purple.
Yes, this one's nice.
Yeah, if I was like, this reminds me of Prince. Purple Rain. So anyway, look at that. I had a bicycle that was this color.
Beautiful. It's beautiful.
That is truly a beautiful ride.
Hey, look over here. We've got a 13 window. I believe this is Cheetos.
And that would be sea blue and cumulus white right there, buddy. One of my favorite combos, deluxe.
Yep. So this is the VW Life logo right here, basically.
That is it. A little older, 64. This is Chris's. Well, we got James Oliver's single cab here, and then look at Chris. Oh my gosh, this bus has won wins lots of shows.
Yeah, lots of shows.
It wins lots of shows. It wins the awards, and obvious reason. I mean, again, I am biased because my first air cooled was a '66 Cumulus white and sea blue, so it's my favorite combination of Volkswagen bus colors. This bus is stunning. It just really is.
We're just hanging out here in San Antonio. We hope you guys are enjoying it, and you know, hit the like button. Leave us a comment. What show did you go to this weekend?
Yes, indeed. Thank you guys for watching us.
Yeah, and we hope you guys are out there. You know, if there's not a show, make a show. You know,
that's all it is. This one right here is really low key, and it's just people hanging out and having a good time. You can see groups of people barbecuing, hanging out, music playing, vendors out here. Just what it's all about. This is VW life right here. This is it. The community coming together and just having a good time.
all right, now we're just kind of packing up. The glamorous part is over.
Yeah, this is the fun part, Matt Jackson.
Yeah, you call this the fun part?
Yes.
I call it the time we didn't sell everything. Like,
yeah, this is when you get depressed. Like, I still have this. And then this is when you see, hey, I forgot I had this. So it's kind of amazing. And I think the thing is, I should like have a barcoded inventory, and I see that I've been having this stuff for like 20 years, and it doesn't sell. Martin always makes fun of me, the stuff that I have that doesn't sell.
Yeah, like you've had it for 10 years.
Oh, literally. It's crazy.
All right, so we're gonna pack up all this stuff and then hit the road northbound. Just drove like an hour out of San Antonio. Where are we?
We are in the town of Bull Verde. We just went by Guadalupe River State Park. I do remember Jake and I camping there once in the 79 Westie, and we just bought it relatively. We had the pop top up. I was telling James this story. Got down to 17 that night. I thought I was going to die.
Oh.
And today it's like 94, so it's a long way, 17 to 94.
Wait, where are you at Whataburger?
Oh, yes. Where's my coupons? Hello, Matt Jackson.
Hey, how's it going?
Well, we thought we were done, but everything's running great. But the drivers, it's a hot day.
It is. It was like a 99 or 100, and it's October.
Yeah. So your mind, is blown because you think it should be 70.
Right.
So the buses are all running great, knock on wood.
Right.
But we decided to take another break. So we're in Marble Falls on the side of the road here, just chilling and drinking Gatorades.
Yeah.
And it's so we're doing good, all right?
Yeah, you and I both have co-pilots, so we're kind of getting to talk and reminisce about the world, and we're having a good time.
We are. It's all, you know, I mean, James and I were talking earlier. It's like the coolest thing is like we are so fortunate that we have Volkswagens to bring us together, our friends, what we do, our hobbies and everything, and it just kind of all melds into this wonderful, magical thing about the Volkswagen community. And you know, I mean, just now one of the guys they were towing their Beetle from the show today, and you know, you're just like, oh, you're best friends, hey, we're waving at them and all that.
And everybody on the highway is like waving at us.
Well,
we're kind of a spectacle, is what you could call it.
We are a spectacle.
But we hope you guys are doing kind of the same thing. You know, get out there. If you drive a Honda or you do some kind of other car
Sell
show,
it. Enjoy the day. Get out. Be a part of your friends, and get out. Look, if you're just sitting around, it's not going to happen.
Right.
You have to go out and do it. You know, you have to initiate and show some initiative.
And there's no magic to it. You just get out there and do it.
No,
right?
we are literally sitting here on the side of the highway, just we've been BSing for 15 minutes.
Right.
And like, we're so excited. I mean, James's bus is getting really close.
Right. James, you saw him in another episode, and we have our friend with us, Conrad, who's got a beautiful 21 window that's really close.
And it's like a Greek tragedy. Conrad's bus. I don't know what a Greek tragedy is. I didn't take that in school, but I heard about Greek tragedy.
Basically, Conrad's bus, he's been working on it for 20 years, and it's almost done.
He had it when he was a kid.
Yeah.
I mean, like they used to like go jumping like hills.
In college and high school.
Yeah. Every show, I told somebody once this, and I probably already told you guys. When we go to shows, it's like a high school reunion.
Yep.
That you want, but it's the people you want to see. Does that make sense?
Yep.
It's not well, there's a couple people, but I didn't see them today, so it's okay. So, but yes, it's like, because you see people, oh my gosh, and you're like, you're just this. We have this bond, this commonality that Volkswagens do that bring us together, and it's just the coolest thing.
So, if you like what you see, hit the like button and subscribe. And we've got merch now, so check out our shirts, and we've got stickers too.
Yeah, I call it merchandise. I'm not hip to the lingo like these young guys.
Merch. God. All right, we're gonna close it there. Later, guys.
Bye.